Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you about a fabulous extension of Google Chrome browser. So the extension name is Unhook. So what the extension do is hide your YouTube related videos while watching a video, short tab, suggestion wall, homepage recommendation, trending, and other distractions as well. So when we watch a video in YouTube, we have seen a lot of YouTube distraction, including the recommended sidebar, end screen video suggestion, user comments, homepage related videos, feed, trending tab, autoplay or annotations and more. So now I am going to show you about extensions, so which will help you to remove the all kind of a distraction while you watching a YouTube video. So the extension name is Unhook. So right here, Unhook. Search here. No, this is the Unhook extension, and click on here. So this is the extension Unhook remove YouTube recommended videos. So you have to click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. So the extension has been added. So now I'm going to reload this YouTube page. So this is it. So now I'm gonna open the extension Unhook. So this is the extension. Okay, you have to turn it on. Click on here. And request features, donate back, request features. So there it is. So this is now you can see there is no recommended videos, no type of annotation, no comments, no type of a distraction. So I hope this extension will help you to remove the distraction from YouTube video while watching it. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you a lot. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.